How long have you been writing about us?
He lived his life for himself.
Floating in space.
And then it shifted.
On a river.
I love you.
Say. Hardin has so many demons.
I was young, in love, and I was terrified.
But he's trying to be better for me.
¿Qué hace en México un sarcófago egipcio?
¡No toques nada, Jeff!
¿Estás bien?
Tranquila, no ha pasado nada.
¡Estás despedido!
Este verano vuelve Tadeo.
Hogar, dulce hogar.
¡Momia! ¡Tadeo y Momia en acción!
Yes!
How do you know Sophia's family?
They're my tenants, but we become mates. Kids of your own?
Yeah, I've got 4.
4? Bloody hell. Who's that?
He's a friend. A fella?
3, 2,
1,
go.
go.
Say it to the radio. Say it to the radio. Say it to the radio. 313. Say it.
What's he doing in this house?
What the fuck is this?
Sword down!
All right. That fucking Zorro in here.
Where's my family? If I find out you had anything to do with my granddaughter disappearing, you're gonna need more men.
You'll be finished before the day is over.
Everything I did was for you!
Are you really gonna shoot me, Travis?
Yes, I will.
Alone, they could only dream of volcanoes. Together, they can reach them. They meet on a blind date at a cafe. From here on out, life will only be volcanoes, volcanoes, volcanoes.
C'est très dur, 2 volcanologues qui vivent ensemble. Parce que c'est très volcanique, donc franchement, ça fait des éruptions très souvent.
For Katya and Maurice, the unknown is not something to be feared. It is something to go toward.
Moi, j'aime bien qu'il marche devant moi. Je me dis, s'il va se tuer, je préfère être avec lui, donc...